Hey guys, so how to freeze a column or a row in Google Sheet. So it's really easy. For example, you have this table, you have name and items, and you want to freeze first row. So you just need to go View, Freeze, and First Row. And after that, first row was freezed, and then if you scroll down, it will always appear top down. And if you want to freeze a column, it's done in the same way. So you just go to freeze and then first column. So in this way, first column will also be freezed. Yeah, so this is how it works. You can also freeze up to current column or up to current row. So for example, if I'm freezing to current row, all 10 rows will be freezed and stuff like that. So you can play with it, but that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching.